Hello, my fellow eggheads. This is Liz. I'm a certified computer repair technician. Today we're going to go over how to replace a fan on your HP computer.
Okay, so first I'm going to unplug the battery and the power cord is disconnected. Next thing we do, grab those tabs on the side and unplug the fan gently, not forcing it. And as you see, I'm careful and try to touch the least amount of components possible. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the two screws out here. Occasionally there's a couple more, but there's only two in this particular one, and then it comes right out. Now you would take the replacement one, you would set it down gently in there, and then you would go ahead and you would put the screws back in. Makes it a little bit easier to plug in if it's screwed in. Occasionally it's easier to plug it in first, depends on the setup of the fan. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it here. And now I'm just going to go ahead and plug it back in just like so. And now it is good to go, and so I can plug my battery back in and then close the whole machine back up.
So that's how you do it. You have any questions, concerns, or comments, feel free to leave them down below. But from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.